The process of losing hair is not happening in 1 week. It's a process of many years. It starts with a job. Divorce is impactful. I will invest in myself. And it took me a year to make the final decision.
All the way from Holland to Delhi. How did you decide hair transplant with DHI?
I do trust the medical industry of India.
What changes happened in your life after you saw this result?
Curly hair is back. I'm not afraid to go on a picture anymore. You get a lot of compliments. You became so handsome. Today I'm at the DHI head office and I'm going to meet the CEO of DHI.
Leslie,
hello.
What a
Nice
pleasure to see you.
Finally we meet.
Finally we meet.
Yeah.
Come, you've been a client of DHI and it gives me immense pleasure to see a happy client of DHI. And I'm going to ask you a few questions about your journey with DHI till now. If you can share some part of your early journey with hair loss.
It's way deeper and it's also mentally. So it starts firstly when someone says, oh, you're getting a bald spot, and it starts with a joke. 1 year later you see a picture and something is happening here and you try to ignore or deny it. Then I was slowly researching the whole world of hair transplant. That's how it started.
Being from the Western world, I mean, to trust, a medical facility in India, sometimes it's not so easy for people.
It is possible to do it in the Netherlands or in Turkey, is even
Yes,
not so far away.
exactly.
But I was checking different methods, and DHI is a method. I do trust the medical industry of India. It's before the procedure, you have to do different blood tests.
Yeah.
And such things. And at this point, it's perfectly the difference between the West and here.
Yeah.
If I want to do that in the Netherlands, for every test, I have to make a different appointment. I have to pay, I have to check the agenda, and I have to travel. So I found out after 1 day already that it's going to be hard. I've been in India before, and I have a different view on India than, let's say, general people, especially in the Western half.
How was the procedure itself on the day of the procedure?
During the whole procedure, and for me it was 2 days.
Yeah.
And it was really clinical and professional, and only doctor was the only person who took out every follicle and placed it.
Yes, yes.
So it was really accurate.
Yeah.
This is effective, efficient, professional. A big plus is communication.
Yeah.
I thought that was the good first impression.
Obviously, you're very happy with the result. But what changes happened in your life after you saw this result, or inside you?
So 1 year later, now my hair is fully grown. The density is good, and even my childhood curly hair is back, and it feels really natural. And I'm not afraid to go on a picture anymore, or you go into the sea or a swimming pool, you dive on the water, you go out, it's still there. You get a lot of compliments, people who know the situation before and now, and they still look at you and I still can't believe it. And last week I was in Bali, and the main question they asked me was, what do you study? And I'm 43 years old, so somehow it's a big compliment.
Parting message you would have for the people in the West, who may be having some apprehensions about traveling to India to do a DHI hair transplant. Any word of advice you would have for them?
There's so many countries to choose from, so many clinics, so many difference in prices. The feeling like go for cheap doesn't feel reliable. This all-in constructions, I mean, it's not a restaurant where you just eat. It's really a thing for your life. DHI is one of the oldest companies, and they're also based in India, and as far as I could see is really the best, and I never regretted any moment.
Yeah. Leslie, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it, and I'm honored to have you as a friend of DHI.
Yes, it's likewise.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.